This is Yumi, my baby girl, my only one baby girl. So, I never had a dog, a female dog. I meant, never ako nagkaroon nun. So that's why. Then, my sister has a dog as well. The dog was Wasabi. He is a Shih Tzu collie. He's a big dog. And then last December 3, 2024, something happened. So yeah, this is the result. Baby, look. A baby bump. That's the result. So yeah. So my baby is pregnant. 1 month and 2 days. So that's why